So Xiaomi has announced the Mi Mix 3 in China, and hands down this is one of the best looking Xiaomi smartphones we have seen till date. It uses a slider platform to achieve a whopping 93.4% of screen to body ratio. There is no notch on the smartphones and the camera is hidden on a sliding platform. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at the new Xiaomi phone. The Mi Mix 3 has a sliding display. That means there is no need of a notch. The cameras are placed on the main body, and when the display slides down, the front cameras are revealed. The display has very thin bezels, and since the camera is taken away from the bottom bezel, that also has been trimmed down. The Mi Mix 3 has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display and is going to be one of the most handy smartphones with that size among all the Android phones. Now the sliding mechanism is not motorized, it's mechanical, unlike what we see on the Oppo Find X, so that is going to be less prone to damage. Otherwise as well, the phone is well built. It has an aluminum frame with ceramic back and comes in very beautiful colors, green, blue and black. And there's also a museum edition that Xiaomi has announced that will come with 5G and 10 GB of RAM. Now the phone was expected to have a Snapdragon 855 chipset, but Xiaomi has put the Snapdragon 845, something that you see on most flagship Android smartphones nowadays, but that is coupled to 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and the base variant itself has 128 GB of storage, going up to 256 on the top one. OnePlus 60 is also expected to come with that amazing storage on the base variant, and going forward that may become the norm with many mid-segment smartphones. Talking about the cameras, you get a dual camera setup at the back with 12 megapixel sensor. Xiaomi says it has improved the sensors for low light photography, and the surprising part is they can also shoot slow motion videos at 960 frames per second. Now, that capability is available on very few smartphones right now, like the Galaxy Note 9 or the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. The cameras can obviously capture portrait shots, but there are many other modes as well, very similar to what you get on the iPhone, like the studio lighting. At front as well, the phone has a dual camera setup with 24 megapixel primary and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. Xiaomi says this camera has also been improved for low light photography. In fact, Xiaomi has also touted the DxO mark rating on the smartphone that was announced alongside the smartphone. The DxO mark rating on Mi Mix 3 has come out to be 103 points, which is very close to the iPhone XS that has 105 points. Now if you talk about the pricing, the Mi Mix 3 starts at 3299 Yuan, which translates to about 34,700 rupees here in India. And the top end variant that comes with 10 GB of RAM has been priced at 4,999 Yuan. That translates to 52,000. The phone ships with a fast charger, has fast charging capabilities, and is also bundled with a fast wireless charger, something that Apple or many other flagship brands don't supply. So Xiaomi is clearly looking to offer premium experience on budget, and while it's not really clear if it will move out of China and launch the Mi Mix 3 in other markets, this time the Mi Mix 3 surely looks to be promising. Do let us know what you think about the Mi Mix 3 in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.